Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to import and export data in Odoo step by step for 2025. Whether you are working with customers, products or sales order, Odoo makes it easy to move data in and out of the system. Let's get started. So in Odoo you can import and export almost any kind of data. Products, here you can see on my screen the function is here, apps, industry, community, pricing, help, and you can see this the dashboard, HR, manufacturing, better purchase. So products, customers, invoice, then inventory, employees, and much more. You can work with files in CSV or Excel.xlsx format, making it super easy to handle large data sets. So exporting data from Odoo, for the first step is go to any module like sales or contracts. You can see this. Then let's use contact for this example. Select the records you want to export by checking the boxes next to them. Then click the action button, then close export. In the export windows, we will choose either a CSV or Excel format. Then select the file you want to export, example name, email, phones. You can search for files in the sidebar. Optionally save this selection as a template for next time. Click export and your file will download it instantly. Now you can open it in Excel or Google Sheet and edit or back it up. Now let's go to other way importing data. Is to go to the module where you want to import data, and example go to contacts and click the favorites menu to, you can see this. Here I am on the sales. Then you can upload your file either as CSV or XLS. Odoo will show a preview screen. It will automatically map the columns from your go to Odoo files. And make sure everything is matched correctly, like name to contact name, email to email, etc. And you can also correct mismatched files here. So click test import, and if everything looks good, click import to confirm, and done. Your data is now added into Odoo. And download a simple file first. If you are not sure about the format, go to any module, export a few records first and use that files as a templates for your imports. So check required files. Some modules requires content files like product name, price or quality. Then so be sure your file includes them. Avoid duplicate data. Always include unique files like email or external ID. If you are updating existing records, use external IDs for advanced imports or synced data. You can use external IDs to link record across modules. Now that's it. Now you know how to import and export data in Odoo step by step 2025. So whether you are managing thousands of records or just getting started, this will save you a ton of times. And if you found this helpful and enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe the channels.